everyone, this is Jane Chiu here and welcome back to my channel. Today I would like to share the news about Tupperware filing for bankruptcy. So I think this could be a shocking news to many of us, especially those housewives who are so used to this brand. And I think you would agree with me, and in every household we're bound to find one or two containers from Tupperware.
Tupperware was once a revolutionary product. Introduced in 1946 by Earl Tupper, the company changed the way households store food. Their airtight plastic containers were a game changer. But the key to their success was the unique sales strategy. Tupperware parties hosted by suburban women. It was an innovative product approach for its time, relying on direct selling and word of mouth to build its brand. But times have changed, and Tupperware didn't quite keep up. Over the years, the brand struggled with adapting to new consumer behaviors and shifting market trends. They remain heavily dependent on direct sales, even as online shopping and e-commerce exploded. By the time they started facing financial issues, it was already too late. And then came the COVID-19 pandemic, which further weakened demand for home goods like Tupperware, pushing the brand even closer to collapse. So, what can we learn from Tupperware's fall? One word: innovation. Businesses today must continuously evolve, or they risk becoming irrelevant. Just like Tupperware relied on a single model of sales for decades, other businesses can also fall into the trap of not innovating. Look at companies that have thrived despite industry changes. Think Apple, Amazon, or even newer brands like Lock and Lock and Rubbermaid. They understand the importance of keeping up with technology, consumer demands, and new market opportunities. So, if Tupperware is on its way out, which brands are likely to step in? In Malaysia, for example, brands like Lock and Lock and Rubbermaid have already carved out strong market positions. They offer the same quality and reliability, but they are more adaptable with modern distribution channels and innovative product designs. As we move forward, let's remember that this is a wake-up call for businesses for all sizes. Innovate or fall behind. Thanks for tuning in. Let me know in the comments what your thoughts are on Tupperware's potential closure. And don't forget to subscribe for more updates on business trends and innovation. See you next time.